What's up, guys? My name is Nathan Holliday. I'm a producer, live sound engineer, and recording engineer from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And we're back here at my home studio. And I just wanted to take a second and talk about Wireworld Cables. I've gotten to use these over the past few weeks on several different projects. And, being a guitar player and kind of being obsessed about tone and all that, what that comes with, it is important to have good cables. People say that a chain is only as strong as its weakest link, and that is definitely true with your signal chain. If you spend thousands of dollars getting this awesome rig together, why would you just count on it to work with the cheapest cables possible? These things, they're silver core, which means they're ultra low capacitance, just transparent. It feels like even if you're running through a myriad of pedals, it feels like you're plugging straight into your amp. And the biggest difference, you can hear it, but as a player, I can feel it when I use these cables. So yeah, I can't say enough great things about them. They're sturdy, they're really reliable. Wireworld Cables, check them out. I love these things. Thanks.